Are we good to go? Yeah. Okay, sounds good. All right, guys, we'll give it maybe a minute for everyone to hop on here, but welcome to Parkside here in the Sunset in San Francisco. My name is Hessam. We are here today at 2378 30th Avenue in San Francisco. Behind the camera is my partner Carl Chang. We are both here on the Taraval St team. Director of photography is also here with me to get some additional footage to get some content going. But welcome to the property. If you take a look to the right, we are right on the corner of Main Street on Taraval. That takes you down to the inner Sunset, more down towards the water, and then we are on Main Street. Just had a fresh coat of paint on the property, so the sellers just painted the house both inside and outside, and we'll go take a look at the property inside. We will make our way inside. Right when you walk in, you have the entry. So very spacious garage overall. It goes tandem both into the back. We did just put a brand new furnace and a brand new water heater into the property as well. So these are brand new, fresh. A lot of these homes, you know, given that the original floor plan is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, they have expanded downstairs. So a lot of potential, specifically in this back corner here, to add an additional bedroom, whatever that might look like, to have some additional living square footage for the property. A lot of the homes in the neighborhood have used this spot here to create a 3rd bedroom as well as potential for a bath as well. I'll show you the back entrance here. This takes you to the backyard, which will support from upstairs, but there is a walkway as well as some under the deck storage area for personal items that can be included down here. We just had the whole place landscaped and cleaned out, as well as that deck is completely replaced. We'll come back this way and we will go into the main house. So as we come up, we see that this is a new carpet that was put in. That's been freshly inserted into the property. And a little skylight here that had some natural light into the property as well, that the seller had put in a few years back. This is your entry point to the property. We do have some storage right away as you enter, both on this side and here, to use for coats, personal items. And then what we'll do is we'll take a look at the first bedroom. This is the bedroom that is facing the street. Significant size, this is a queen size bed. So you should be able to fit at least a queen, as well as king size bed into the room. There is a closet space that Carl was just showing you in the back corner there that allows for some storage for clothes, personal items, etc., as well as a view to 30th Avenue here. So as we come out of the room, we will come and we'll take an immediate right and go into the main living area. This is a very open floor plan. As you can tell, this is the living and family room that connects to the dining room here. Very spacious, very open. There's also potential for some additional upgrades down the line, as you can maybe potentially open up to the kitchen or take out this wall and have it be more of an open format completely. But we do have some original crown molding throughout the home, fresh paint along the walls, as well as fresh carpet throughout. We've done some upgrades on the electrical, as far as the outlets go, the plugs, the handles, all that that's been upgraded. Very decent sized dining area as well that connects openly to your family area, so room for some entertainment as well. Any questions that come in, Priscilla, for anyone, please let us know as we're touring. What we'll do is we'll come this way and take a look at our full bath. This is the full bathroom here at 2378 30th Avenue. And then we will take a look at the second bedroom in the property here that connects to our deck as well. Which will go outside in a few when we go through the kitchen area. But this bedroom also has a significant sized closet here as well, with the consistency in the carpet and the paint and lighting as well throughout the home. So we will come make our way to the kitchen. So this is a recently updated kitchen. A lot of these homes do not have the consistency in the countertops as well as the stove and the sink. The original kitchen sink was here. This was enclosed. So the sellers moved the sink and put it here and added an additional entryway to the backyard deck. So with the updated cabinets, as well as a little nook that's already in the kitchen here that enables you to have some morning coffee, morning breakfast, etc. So this is our kitchen. And then what we'll do is we'll take a brief look outside to our deck. So here's a beautiful sized deck for entertainment, for family, for guests to come outside, hang out. We completely landscaped the whole backyard. Very big lot size here. The square footage of the property is around 958 with roughly a 5,000 square foot lot. So lots of potential for build out. As you can see, some of the neighbors here have built out their property out to add additional bedrooms or size to their home, as well as some potential to build out towards the back as well. Lots of open space, lots of seating areas. On a sunnier day, this property gets a lot of natural light with the skylights that are inside. Lots of sunlight, natural light, lots of potential for build out and improvements in the property. That is your full walk through the property. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath like you saw, as well as a deck, a backyard, and a 2-car garage. So what we'll do is we will go back out inside to the living room. And if there's anyone that wants to see any part of the property again, or having questions or want specific rooms for us to pop into, let us know now. So I guess what we'll do is maybe we could just have Carl, if you want to walk through the bedrooms again one more time and just show them the rooms. And if anything pops up, let us know. And he'll be able to assist with any questions that you might have in regards to purchasing the property. Number is 925-325-8647, and we'd be more than happy to help. Aside from that, thanks for joining us. The replay will be available on Facebook. You can take a look at that. And any questions, property is available to be seen. You can go to our Calendly or 237830th.com and register for any time to tour. Take a look at the home.